We are renovating this 29 years old house which is located in Banashankari 3rd Stage, Bangalore. The scope of the works include structural renovation and interior design. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore. Let's get into the video. This is a 3-bedroom house with a small kitchen and only one bathroom. Here is the master bedroom and an old style kitchen adjacent to two small bedrooms. The kitchen lacks space and is in need of an extension. Also, there is a requirement of an additional bathroom for a family of 4. Hence, we are remodeling this house by demolishing the bedroom which is located in the middle and making space for kitchen extension and construction of an additional bathroom. This is the new layout plan of this house. Old houses lack proper space planning, functionality, and aesthetics. This issue has been taken care in our meticulously planned interior design. The interior design of this house includes a fully functional modular kitchen, a sleek TV unit in the living area, and wardrobes with proper storage space in the bedrooms. Also, the old mosaic floor will be renovated with modern vitrified tiles and entire house will be repainted with soft tones. This old bathroom that has an Indian style toilet will be remodeled and upgraded to a premium style bathroom with anti-skid tiles and modern shower fittings. Last but not the least, we are demolishing this wall here and extending the slab area to create a utility space to this house as shown. So, this is about the structural and interior renovation of this 29-year-old house. If you are a homeowner looking for end-to-end old home renovation experts in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on old home renovation, architectural construction, and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.